Alright guys, another parallelogram problem. This one says LMNO is a parallelogram. It's telling us that is true. So it asks us to complete the following here. We have these blanks we need to fill in. So the first one says if MN equals 7, so let's see, MN, if that's 7, it says then LO equals, well, in a parallelogram, the opposite sides, because the opposite sides theorem says that those have to be the same. So it would also be 7. Okay, what about the next one? If the measure of angle MLO equals 29, then the measure of angle ONM. So these opposite ones. Remember, in a parallelogram, the opposite angles are congruent. So that would also be 29 degrees. Okay, next it says if the measure of angle MLO is 29 now, again, just like before, 29, then it says the measure of angle LON, this one, equals what? Well, obviously those are not going to be the same, okay? It can't just be 29 again. So what I have to do is remember that these consecutive angles add up to be 180. So you can do that a couple different ways. You can take 180 and subtract 29, or think 180 minus 30 is 150. So it actually have to be 151 in order for O and L to be supplementary here, add up to be 180. So 151, so that would be. Should finish my math over here. And then next one says if PO equals 8, so let's see, PO, if that's 8, then MP equals, well, in a parallelogram, the diagonals are being bisected by the other diagonal. So those have to be the same as well. So it's also 8. Okay, and the last one says if the measure of angle ONM, this one, equals 60, 60 up there, then the measure of angle NML, this one up here, is what? So just like before, if you have consecutive angles, those have to add up to be 180. So 60 plus what is 180? And that'd be 120. Okay, so 120 is what would make that true.